Hello AP Biology students, this is going to be our last unit in AP Biology, and this unit is going to be about ecology. In our first section, we're just going to kind of review major themes in biology. Just as a warning here, I might add some sections as I'm going through this unit. This is just because typically teachers don't really get a lot of time to focus on ecology at the end of the year because there's so much content in AP Biology. But as of right now, there are 10 sections, but there might be more by the end. So what is ecology? Ecology is the study of interaction between organisms and the environment they live in. This is just basically looking at how the Earth and our living species interact. Two words that you should definitely know before getting into ecology are biotic factors and abiotic factors. Biotic factors are living things within our environment, and they also include recently dead things. Abiotic factors are non-living things within an ecosystem. This is like water, temperature, air, and both abiotic factors and biotic factors obviously make up ecosystems. Two basic words we should also know when talking about ecology are like producers and consumers. Producers being the autotrophs in an ecosystem and the consumers being the heterotrophs in an ecosystem. Now these producers can be either photosynthetic or chemosynthetic. But basically, these producers are going to be at the bottom of food or energy pyramids, and they, again, utilize energy to make their own food. Consumers are going to eat other organisms for their own food. And there are a couple different types of consumers. Obviously, herbivores are going to only eat plants, carnivores are only going to eat meat, omnivores eat both plants and meat, and all of these organisms are going to be broken down by something called a decomposer. Now, within ecosystems, we have different levels of organization. And we talked a little bit about this in the first unit when we looked at just kind of science in general. But basically, we're looking at how things are organized by their size. And then we're going to start out with an organism, which is a single living thing, a population, which is many of one species living in a particular environment. Communities are many different interacting species living in the same place at the same time. An ecosystem adds on the abiotic factors. Biomes are larger scale ecosystems that have kind of common flora or fauna occupying that same habitat. And then the biosphere here is just, again, everything that's included in the Earth. Here's a great illustration of what I'm talking about. An individual is one organism, population is many of that same organism, communities are many of species living in a particular area, ecosystems add in the abiotic factors, biomes are larger scale ecosystems that have common organisms within that biome, and then the biosphere is just everything. And of course, we have to end on this meme. Today, a girl said she recognized me from her vegetarian club, but I'm pretty sure I've never met herbivore. Get it? Because herbivore, vegetarian club. Love this meme.